Okay. I am doing math homework. This shows you how distracted I get. Yeah. But forgot why I made this video. I had a reason. I'm positive. Oh yeah, this is a video for Brandon. And maybe Caleb. But I don't really know. I don't know if he's worthy. I don't know. And my teddy bear. Video for my teddy bear. He's so cute. Look, he's from Hershey Park. He's so cute. Why am I taking this in like weird colors? I do not know. Don't ask, because I don't know. I hit record and I forgot I had it like this. Totally not my fault. But yeah, Brandon, you are amazing. You may not always be nice, even though I always tell you you're not mean. But yeah, you're still awesome. You're nice most of the time. Yeah, and I love you as a friend. Just a friend. So don't go getting all like, I don't know, never mind. Caleb, you're pretty amazing too. You're kind of stupid, but you're pretty amazing because like since we're getting married, no, I kind of have to say that.